Hello, Barry Goss here, co-founder of Risky.tv, lead video content curator, if you will, for the site. And I want to show you something that I would see as my lead web app or web thing. You notice we have a category here called apps and web things. It's actually both. And the reason is because you can download it on pretty much any device. I'm on Chrome right now. And you'll see up here, I've got a little extension called Save to Keep. And what I'm referring to is an app called Google Keep. You can go to keep.google.com. This to me is the intermediary between handwriting journals or sticky notes and Evernote. I won't get into the benefits of Evernote right now, which if you are a business owner, if you are a writer, researcher, content curator, you probably do use Evernote for stuff related to creating content. Google Keep is something that you can use on the fly that I often will do. So for instance, if I want to come up here and just know that I've got to create some camping items, let me just go ahead and do this and show you what I'm talking about. And I would probably want to do this in a where I've got some labels or some check boxes. So let's just say new tent X, and let's go with lantern. Okay, I can come up here and click that and add a label, and I'm just going to for now go to shopping, add the shopping label to it, done. Now here's some cool things you can do. This label will be also on your Google Keep app, and if you want to say you bought the lantern, you're at the store, you can click it, and bam, it takes it down to the checked item list. You can see it's struck out. And that way, you know you've bought the lantern. If you ever want to go back and check what you've bought, you can do that as well. Let's just say that you've bought everything here and your camping item list is complete. You can click archive, bam, it's out of your main note, and you can see it says note archived. I can undo that if I want. There's the note again. I'm going to go ahead and archive it. And if you click this, you can just see your notes that we're on right now. But if you want to see archived notes, you can come down here and you can click archive, and you can see there is the camping items list that is archived. And if I want to come back up here to the main notes, there they are. You can click notes that you've just set reminders on. So if I want to click put a reminder on these Keen hiking shoes, I can hit a reminder for next week. I can come back up here and edit that reminder, pick a different time frame than it's given me for 8 o'clock. Let me just go ahead and change it for the evening. Save. If I come back up here to reminders, you can see now that note is under just the reminders section, and it'll pop up and you'll get a notification either on the app that you use for Google Keep or the web-based version, which is what I'm on. If I come down here and click on apps and downloads, you can see it's available for Android devices, iPhone and iPad, Chrome app, and Chrome extension. I'm on the Chrome app right now. You can also use this on Firefox as well, by the way. You can color code notes. As you can see, I've got a few color coded notes here. So for our company, M4 Research, if I just click M4, I have stuff just related to M4. Typically, they're green. Money, business related stuff is what I would tag as green. And yeah, there's shopping list here that I can create. Actually, I've got just one for Risky.tv. Risky.tv I'll put as red because that's the theme of our site. And I've got a few things, videos to add to Risky.tv that I wanted to, or maybe there's one here I want to take a look at. And I've got a curated list here that I will put on there if I don't have if I have something ancillary to the YouTube curation item that I use to ensure that the categories are filled with quality videos. So anyway, highly recommend Google Keep. There's different labels you can make here on your own on the fly. You just come down here and change labels, and you can add a label right there. It'll add it to your label list. I'm trying to think what else I could show you. Other than the color coding there, you can add an image. Let me just go ahead and get that out of there. So if I want to start, I can add with a new list right there. Done. I can add an image. Note, you can pop images in there. That's pretty much the basics. Highly, highly recommend Google Keep.